Imagine diving into the world's largest coral reef, the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. This iconic location is a canvas of vibrant hues, teeming with an astonishing variety of marine life. It's not just the size, but the sheer diversity that leaves one in awe. From the smallest neon nudibranch to the grandeur of the majestic humpback whale, it's a diver's paradise. The Great Barrier Reef, an underwater world full of color and life, is a natural wonder that leaves every diver amazed. Next, we venture to the Galápagos Islands in Ecuador, a natural laboratory teeming with unique marine species. Here, the waters swirl with sharks, manta rays, and a host of other fascinating creatures. This remote archipelago is a testament to the extraordinary power of evolution, with species that have adapted in ways found nowhere else on Earth. A dive beneath these waves is like stepping into another world, one sculpted by time, isolation, and the relentless push of natural selection. The Galápagos Islands, a place where evolution has crafted a unique underwater world, are a diver's paradise. We then plunge into the tropical waters of Raja Ampat in Indonesia, known as the epicenter of marine biodiversity. A world submerged in an aquatic spectacle where lush coral reefs paint an underwater canvas of radiant colors. The diversity of marine species here is astonishing, with each dive revealing a new spectacle, a fresh encounter. From the elusive wobbegong sharks to the vibrant mantis shrimp, Raja Ampat is a parade of aquatic marvels. Raja Ampat, with its lush reefs and diverse marine life, is a diver's dream come true. Our journey takes us next to Cabo Pulmo on the coast of Baja California, a gem of marine conservation. Here, the protected waters cradle ancient coral reefs, each a bustling metropolis of marine life. The biodiversity is stunning, a testament to the power of nature left undisturbed. From vibrant parrotfish to elusive sea turtles, every dive reveals a new species, a new secret. In Cabo Pulmo, the beauty of its ancient coral reefs and unique marine life offer a one-of-a-kind diving experience. We next visit Truk Lagoon in Micronesia, an underwater cemetery from World War II. This hauntingly beautiful site is where history meets nature in a profound way. Sunken warships, airplanes, and submarines, now overgrown with coral and teeming with marine life, create a surreal and captivating landscape. These historical wrecks have become artificial reefs, providing shelter and breeding grounds for a myriad of species. Here, you'll find an astonishing array of marine life, including colorful tropical fish, sea turtles, and reef sharks. In Truk Lagoon, history and nature merge to create an unforgettable underwater journey. We then move to the icy waters of Lake Baikal in Russia, the deepest lake in the world. This ancient freshwater lake holds mysteries that have yet to be fully revealed. Beneath its icy surface, the crystal-clear waters host an array of unique marine species. These hardy creatures have adapted to the extreme conditions, thriving in an environment untouched by the outside world. Lake Baikal, with its extreme conditions and unique marine life, offers a unique and challenging dive. Next, we explore the mysterious waters of the North Atlantic's Azores Islands. These remote volcanic islands offer a unique underwater landscape, where every dive is an adventure. The Azores are a magnet for marine life, and here divers may encounter blue sharks and majestic whales. These encounters add an exhilarating thrill to the dive, turning each descent into a story of its own. The Azores, with their mysterious waters and unique marine encounters, offer an unforgettable diving experience. We then travel to the tropical paradise of the Maldives, with its turquoise waters and vibrant coral reefs. Imagine the thrill of diving into these warm, inviting waters, coming face to face with graceful manta rays and formidable sharks. Each dive is not just an exploration, but a dance with these majestic creatures, a spellbinding moment etched in time. This is the magic of the Maldives, a tropical paradise that offers unforgettable dives with manta rays and sharks. Our last stop takes us to the legendary Red Sea in Egypt, a favorite destination for divers. Renowned for its pristine coral reefs that paint an underwater canvas of vibrant colors, the Red Sea is a spectacle of nature's brilliance. Home to a stunning array of marine diversity, each dive here becomes an adventure, a journey through an underwater world teeming with life. The Red Sea, with its pristine reefs and diverse marine life, offers an adventure with each dive.